Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe, Smokin Joe Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be smoking up some chicken wings on my Yoder YS640 pellet smoker, so stay tuned. All right, so let's get this cook started. Today I'm going to be using up some new wing dust from Kosmos Q. It's not new, it's actually probably 2-3 months old, maybe even longer, but this is the first time that I'm going to actually use it. Now the first one that I'm using is his ghost pepper wing dust. Don't know how hot that is. I haven't tasted any of these. I smelled them. This one is very lemony. And the second one is their lemon pepper. Now the instructions say to cook them naked and then dust them once they're cooked. Unfortunately, these come in a little package and they're about 5 ounces a piece, so you can't dust it without a shaker. Thankfully, I had a couple extra shakers laying around. So this is the lemon pepper, and then this is the ghost pepper. And again, I haven't tasted them, so I don't know how hot this is gonna be, but hopefully it's got some heat to it. So if you're gonna buy this, make sure you have an extra shaker laying around. Cosmo, if you're watching, how about putting this inside of a shaker? This is a shaker from Victory Lane Barbecue. This is their 16-ounce shaker. So you can see how much wing dust you get, probably a quarter of a bottle, or a third of a bottle, I should say. So, you know, not a whole lot. One thing that I did notice is that you get a lot more of the ghost pepper for some crazy reason. I guess the lemon pepper is a little heavier, okay? But again, I got them in a shaker. So I'm gonna be cooking this in my Yoder YS640 pellet smoker at 325 degrees on the top shelf. My smoker has been warming up for 30 minutes. Let's go outside, stay tuned. All right, we're outside at my Yoder YS640 pellet smoker. And again, I've had it warming up for probably 30 minutes. So just gonna slide the shelf out and put the wings on there. Again, I got the smoker set at 325 degrees. I'm gonna cook these really fast. So probably, I don't know, maybe 40 minutes or so at that temperature. Now you wanna cook your wings to about 165 internal. Maybe 170. You'll be okay at 170. And again, I'm not gonna dust these with the Kosmos Q wing dust until they are completely cooked. So got about 30 wings, I think, is what I counted. 28 wings actually. So just spread them out evenly. Now I've got the damper on the 640 about halfway out. In fact, I always cook on my Yoder YS640 with the damper halfway out. So there's the 28 wings. I'm gonna close the lid so I don't lose a whole lot of heat. And we're gonna cook them till they're, again, 165, 170. I'll bring you guys back at that point, so stay tuned. All right, so we're at the 40-minute mark, and I just flipped the wings over. Don't really have to, but I did anyway. And I did check the internal temperature. We're at 155 degrees, again, 40 minutes into it. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the lid, crank the temperature up to 400 degrees. 400 degrees. Get them nice and crispy on the outside. I say maybe another 10 minutes. We'll see you guys inside. Stay tuned. All right, so the wings are ready, and the total cook time was 1 hour and 5 minutes. So 25 minutes at 400 degrees. Now again, I kicked up the temperature after the 40-minute mark to 400 degrees, and to help that, I hit the prime button on my Yoder YS640 pellet smoker, and that feeds a little bit more pellets into that fire pot, getting the temperature up a little bit quicker. So it only sat at 400 degrees for probably maybe 15 minutes. So, and this is what we have, really nice and crispy skin, and you wanna put this wing dust on when they're nice and hot, when you got some of the oils on the surface. So I'm gonna start with some of the lemon pepper first, and just add enough of this. Beautiful. Just add enough. And then we're gonna add some of the ghost pepper rub to these hot ones here, or to these wings here. As I mentioned, I hope this is a little spicy. So then just toss them around. Make sure they all get some of that lemon pepper. Man, I gotta tell you, one thing about this, this wing dust, it's a very fine powder, okay? So the wings really grab a hold of that rub. I'm liking that. It's not like a coarse rub. Oh man, this is perfect. Look at that. That's what you got. So gonna back the camera up and let's give these bad boys a taste. Stay tuned. All right, let's give these wings a taste. Now I'm gonna start with the lemon pepper because I feel that this is gonna be hotter than I think, okay? Looking at the bowl where I was mixing the wings, there's seeds and stuff in here and my nose is running, okay? So I'm afraid that that might be a little spicier than I thought, but I love spicy stuff. So let's give this lemon pepper a try. Beautiful, crispy wing. The smell is amazing. Lemon pepper is my wife's favorite, so here we go. Man, that's good. That's lemon pepper. Really tasty. Little heavy on the lemon, but again, it's lemon pepper. So let's give these ghost pepper. Man, I think I'm gonna pay for this, but here we go. Cheers. Man, that's got some kick to it. Man, that is a good smoked wing. I can feel the ghost pepper rub kicking in. That is good. I love that rub. You know, it's hot. Oh man, it's all over my lips. My lips are gonna swell up. I love this wing dust here. It's really hot. Okay, I love hot stuff, but this stuff is really hot. To the normal person, I would go really light on this, maybe just a light sprinkle, but it's got a really good flavor and it's not overpowering, but it's spicy. Okay, it's pretty hot. I mean, that's what a hot wing should taste like to me. So overall, the lemon pepper is good. I've never really been a huge fan of lemon pepper, okay? I just want to lay that out there. But my wife loves lemon pepper. It's good. But this rub right here, this ghost pepper wing dust is absolutely amazing. I love it. Cosmo, good job with these wing products here. The only recommendation again is throw in a shaker maybe. I bought 4 bags of this stuff. I ordered 4 bags. And again, thankfully I had an extra shaker laying around, but that's the only recommendation that I have is to maybe put these this wing dust in some kind of shaker. Maybe ship a shaker with a purchase of 4 bags or something. But overall, really happy with these wing dust products from Kosmos Q. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Ask me any questions. Until next time, Joe, Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.